Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. And this is the Danco Perfect Finish Universal Tank Lever. And it's oil rub bronze, so it's a toilet flusher if your handle's broken or doesn't flush right. Basically what you get in here, you get, about to see that, you get this thing right here that makes it, you know, that enables it to flush, and then you get the handle. It's very heavy, it's very high quality. So yeah, if you're looking to upgrade your toilet flusher handle, or you've got one that's broken, this might be a good solution. So you can find a link within this video's description to where I ordered this online. I really couldn't be happier with the build quality of this. It's very heavy, it's very good finish, you know, matches those doorknobs and everything, so can't beat that. And it looks like it'll be easy to put on. So share this video with others. Again, check the video description. You can find a link to order that online, as well as more information. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IrixGuy, and enjoy all of my videos. Y'all have a good day.